I'm Anirudh Subramanyam, the Charles and Enid Schneider Early Career Assistant Professor in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering at Penn State's College of Engineering. Industrial engineering combines engineering, math, science, business, and psychology for the design, control, and operation of manufacturing processes and systems for business operations. Industrial engineering students complete coursework in areas such as human factors and ergonomics, manufacturing, operations research, and supply chain and service engineering. Industrial engineers are prepared for diverse careers in areas such as financial services, communication, retail, logistics, information technology, government, transportation, healthcare, consulting, and academia. Penn State Industrial Engineering alumni are driving change for international companies working in government research laboratories, creating startups, and consulting. They lead in manufacturing design, business operations, nanotechnology, simulation modeling, process improvement, and manufactured materials. Many go on to graduate school to deepen their knowledge. The department was founded in 1908 as the first industrial engineering program. Alumni have been integral in our growth. For example, alumnus Charles Schneider and Penn State teamed up on a nearly $10 million investment in service enterprise engineering within the department. An example where industrial engineers play a critical role in our day-to-day lives is in how you get food at the grocery store. They are involved in decisions right from the production and manufacturing to transportation and logistics, and to how it is finally delivered and managed at the store, involving decisions about retail, finance, which involves combining their technical skills with interdisciplinary knowledge and working with managers.
From an innovation standpoint, just the application of technology and how that's changed how industrial engineers work, the evolution of data science and artificial intelligence that's really opened up all sorts of opportunities for industrial engineers to apply information in ways that can make organizations more effective. That's a huge area of opportunity.
I chose industrial engineering because I was really interested in how things were made. That led me originally to material science and to mechanical engineering. But once I found out about industrial engineering and how I could get a mix of business aspects, but also that really core manufacturing knowledge.
You can have many pursuits in industrial engineering because it's a combination of both business and engineering study, and that complete background really fits you in well for lots of different businesses. For me personally, I started out as an industrial engineer on the production floor in a battery company, and I ended up ultimately becoming a finance manager at Boeing.
What I personally think makes my major unique is that we have a really cool lab. It's called the FAME Lab. We get so much hands-on experience in the industrial setting and industrial grade machines.
We see a lot of different things from hands-on manufacturing classes, additive manufacturing, metal casting, CNC machining, and then more supply chain and less technical things like operations research and human factors. So you kind of get a broad range of different topics within the major.
I love that with my major I can go into a lot of different industries. I can choose to stay in traditional manufacturing industry. I could go into supply chain. I could do consulting. I could also work in a hospital. So there's a lot of different avenues and a lot of different things that I can do with my major.
In terms of research opportunities, there's a million. Especially for our faculty, they're always looking for undergrads to help them in their research.
Penn State is a large institution, and because it's such a large institution, there's a lot of opportunities such as study abroad. I studied abroad in Madrid my spring semester of my sophomore year, and I'm also involved in research opportunities here, and all of this just adds to my resume and I stand out.
Industrial engineers deal with every function out there. They deal with the business groups, they deal with the engineering teams, they deal with the operations teams, and they deal with the production workers. That interaction with so many different activities and different people has really made it a great career for me.
They're basically anywhere where there's a process to run something, you can always find a space for industrial engineers to go and optimize that system or optimize that job or a production line.
Industrial engineers are crucial to tackle the growing complexity of areas such as transportation, healthcare, and supply chains. By learning about areas such as human factors, data analytics, and operations management, they can improve sustainability, efficiency, and quality of life, driving meaningful change in the world.